Howdy folks, welcome back to Woody's Corner. Doing a little, well, it's like a Halloween day. It's Saturday, the week before Halloween 2025. So we have everybody coming over to carve pumpkins. Of course, we'll do some cooking here. And I'm going to do my brisket chili. Went and got my brisket. I normally just get a peak flat here, and holy smokes, $100. But it seems like the price has gone up. I don't remember spending $100 when I make a batch of chili, but people enjoy it. So this is a really good recipe I've done many times. It's no beans, but it's obviously a lot of chunky brisket meat. And then we're going to do rotisserie on the Rectech X-Fire for the first time. So I'm going to do 2 chickens on that. I got my rotisserie attachment finally and been itching to get going on rotisserie cooking here first time. So a little bit of a learning curve there. We'll see how that turns out. And then all kinds of other goodies we'll cook up here. So, all right, so one of the first things on this chili recipe is, of course, I use actually using a whole package of bacon. Sometimes I just use like 4 slices, but you're basically going to render all this fat off. I cut it all up. We'll put the bacon in the chili, but you're after the fat because we're going to cut the brisket up in chunks, and then we're going to brown it in batches in the bacon fat with a bunch of garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, I guess. Just squeezed out the whole peeled tomatoes. Got a chicken bone broth started here. I'm getting ready to put tomatoes in. We've got a quarter cup of the strong coffee here from Chichibo. That's actually part of the recipe. It's a small amount of coffee, something different. All right, got all the brisket all cut up. You know, I was looking at the price. It used to be you could buy brisket for $4.98 a pound, but yeah, it's like $9.27 a pound now, and that's why this was like double the price that I'm used to. But I'm getting ready to brown this up in the bacon fat next. Then I'll saute the onions and what's left. Chili's cooking away here. Brisket chili. Here he's whooping up some sides, and I'm making some Alabama white sauce for the first time. Had this at Waldo's Chicken the other day, and I was like, oh, we gotta make some of that. All right, Alabama white sauce. Using some Duke's mayonnaise, apple cider vinegar, all the seasonings. There's a lot of different recipes on it. Good for dipping potatoes and chicken and all kinds of stuff. All right, so this is my first rotisserie on the Rectech X-Fire, and I had originally had it on medium, and I just came to check it. It's been about 40 minutes, and it was starting to char up a little more than I was expecting this early. I really didn't know how long I was going to end up doing it. I figured it might take a couple hours, but looks like it's cooking a lot quicker. So I turned it down to low. I haven't seen a lot of recipes on using rotisserie for the Rectech X-Fire yet. And so, you know, we'll kind of learn as we go. Well, I'm pretty impressed with the rotisserie on the Rectech here. And boy, does it smell great. We got all the onions and potatoes and all that juice going in there. I've seen a lot of people do that. But it's interesting, even with a little blockage of the direct heat, a little bit more sneaking up and getting this one. But the charring process is just happening. Looks great, smells great. We're about at temperature, and we're about coming up on about an hour and a half in. So I think I'm about ready to take this off and let it rest. The spread.
Okay, I'll get you. Dad can get you something in your You see?
What do you call this? Pasta salad?
This is Holly's spinach pasta salad.
With pine nuts. So good.
Say, who loves orange soda?
So did you notice the meat?
Cal loves orange soda.
Take a picture of my plate. It's a beauty. It's a beaut.
It's a video.
It's a French crunchy.
Brisket chili. Well, this concludes the evening of carving pumpkins and cooking. Yeah, Sherry did such a great job with the Halloween decorations. It was a good time tonight. You got Chucky up here. We got the witches turned off, so when they're on, they're just constantly being turned on, I guess. Talking. So yeah, it's Saturday. We're a week out from Halloween. This cat actually is not turned on, but it turns its head. I think got eyes light up and it meows. And we got the bats